Penny drinking her milk. And they all try to figure out, where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Okay, there's Mommy. She's licking up whatever pee and poop left behind by them. It's day 13, Monday, September 19th. Some of them start crawling. We haven't seen the eyes yet. I think it's almost there. They haven't opened yet. That's how Penny lie down and get ready for her position. Sometimes she squished them, but I think she knows what she's doing. Sometimes they'll be all sleeping and she squished them, and I guess that's her way of saying, wake up! Time to eat. That's a good Penny. Getting the best position for them. That's Skinny trying to find his way in, but we have all the big guys there. We have to help Skinny sometimes. I think Skinny find his way in underneath. There's Penny. I think that's one of the fat girl. You're a good girl, Penny. I think whenever she sniffs some pee and poop, she just come back up and lick them. Lick them clean. We haven't been cleaning any poop and pee for almost 2 weeks now. She has been just doing her job. Looks like Penny is redoing her nest to find the right position. There you are, Penny. You got what you want.